Hello everyone, welcome to Edible Canopy Backyard Food Forest for Beginners, Zone 9B. I'm Sandra, and today I wanted to show you a very simple video of planting Mexican sunflowers from seed. And that is exactly what I do. I plant them from seed. So I ordered two different colors, a red and an orange. And I want to make sure that when you're finished watching this short video that you look at the comments at the bottom. I'm very specific on what type to get and what type not to get. When you're in zone 9B, there is a particular one not to get that can be invasive, and I'll also describe that to you on what invasive means so you're familiar with when they categorize something as invasive. So the compost that I'm using here is a combination of compost and manure. It's one of my favorite bags of mixture to use when I plant my fruit trees or I plant things in my garden, and just put it in some small pots that I had. Once you're into gardening, you'll have plenty of extra pots. I throw anywhere from 3 to 4 seeds into this little pot, cover them up. You don't have to plant them very deep at all. You just, maybe I put them half of a fingertip deep into this mixture, and then I just gently cover it up, and then I water it, and then I keep an eye on the watering of this mixture for the next 3 days, make sure it doesn't dry out, and then I water it on a regular basis because you want to make sure that those seeds get watered so that they'll grow for you. And this is what you'll get. So this is the product of doing that. Once it gets to be this height, I will go ahead and plant it in the ground. And then as you can see here, this is what it looks when it's grown. It's just gorgeous. It's a great pollinator. I hope this helps. Have a wonderful day and follow me for more advice.